Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on the clone tool, and I used it quite a bit. And only 10 people have watched the video probably, and somebody asked me, why isn't there a hotkey for clone? Well, I guess it's just not a used tool that much. But it's very easy to make one. Go down to Tools, Customization, go to Commands, and instead of searching through all the commands, you can go up to Edit. My computer's a little slow tonight. Go to Edit and just press on the clone, and it'll find clone. Go to Shortcut Keys and just assign one. I'm going to assign it alternate C. Put assign, it'll put it down there, and then hit OK. Now when we go to Edit, there it is, alternate C. So it's in there forever, or till you change it. We're going to make a rectangle. I'm going to alternate C. It made a clone. We can make the clone black. And as always, I would save as default. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.